Once upon a time in land far, far away, there was a beautiful kingdom named Luminara. This kingdom was nestled between lush green mountains, blooming flower field, and sparkling rives that shimmered under the sun. And in the heart of Luminara, there lived a sweet and brave girl named Princess Bella. Bella had long flowing golden hair and eyes as bright as morning sky. Everyone in Luminara adored her, for she was kind-hearted and loved every living creatures. One summer day, Bella decided to explore the magical whispering woods, a forest just outside the castle gates. It was the place filled with ancient trees, birds chirping, and flowers that seemed to giggle and danced as she walked by. Bella loved the woods and often went there to listen to the trees and tell their stories. But this day was different. As Bella wandered deeper into the forest, she heard the faint sound of soft crying. Curious, she followed the sound until she found something that took her breath away. Standing in the small clearing surrounded by a glowing fireflies sat a unicorn with silver mane and a sparkling horn. Bella gasped, for unicorn were known to be the rarest and most magical creature in the Luminara. The unicorn looked up, her big, beautiful eyes filled with tears. Bella's heart ached to see such a magical creature in distress, so she gently approached it. "Why are you crying, beautiful unicorn?" Bella asked, her voice soft and caring. The unicorn sniffled and looked at Bella with hope in her eyes. "My name is Lumina," she said in a voice as gentle as the wind. "I've lost my magic because I used my final wish to save a friend. Now, I can no longer bring joy to the forest or make flowers bloom. Without my magic, the forest will soon lose its sparkle." Bella felt a surge of sadness, but also knew she had to help. "What can I do to help you, Lumina?" The unicorn's eyes brightened. "There is a way, Princess Bella, to restore my magic. I need a pure heart to make a wish for me, but it must be a wish made out of love and kindness." Bella thought for a moment. She loved Luminara, the forest, and all the animals within it. She wanted more than anything for Lumina to have her magic back. Without hesitation, Bella closed her eyes and made a wish. "I wish for Lumina's magic to be restored, so she can once again bring joy and beauty to the whispering woods." As soon as Bella spoke, a burst of light surrounded Lumina. The forest filled with a dazzling, golden glow as Lumina's horn sparkled brighter than ever. Flowers blossomed, birds began to sing, and the trees seemed to sway with happiness. Lumina's magic was back. Lumina looked at Bella, her eyes shining with gratitude. "Thank you, Princess Bella," she whispered. "You have given me the greatest gift. Now, I have a gift for you in return." With a gentle bow of her head, Lumina touched Bella's forehead with her glowing horn. Instantly, Bella felt a warm, magical feeling fill her heart. "This is a wish of your very own, Princess," Lumina said. "Use it whenever you truly need it, and it will come true." Bella thanked Lumina, feeling her heart swell with joy. She hugged the unicorn, grateful for the adventure and the new friendship she had found. As she made her way back to the castle, she looked over her shoulder one last time and saw Lumina standing proudly among the trees, her magic filling the forest once more. And from that day on, whenever the people of Luminara visited the Whispering Woods, they noticed that the flowers were brighter, the streams sparkled more, and a magical unicorn watched over them all. As for Princess Bella, she cherished her special wish, saving it for the day when she would need it most. But more than that, she knew she had gained something far more precious, a lifelong friend in Lumina, the magical unicorn. And they lived happily ever after, their bond of kindness and magic forever lighting up the kingdom of Luminara.